Azelaic acid is one of the best ingredients for pigmentation, acne, redness, bumps. But here's the truth nobody tells you most people cannot tolerate prescription azelaic acid. But this serum from Anua actually makes azelaic acid easy for sensitive skin. So, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing a product that honestly surprised me, the Anua Azelaic Acid 10 Plus Hyaluron Serum. Azelaic acid has always been one of my favorite ingredients, but it's also one of the trickiest to use. The prescription version is 15 to 20% and causes stinging, peeling, dryness, and irritation for a lot of people, especially if you have sensitive or barrier damaged skin. So, when a Korean brand like Anua gives us a gentler 10% azelaic acid blend supported with soothing and hydrating ingredients, it becomes something almost everyone can use. Let's break it down. The ingredients, the science, how it works, who should use it, and whether you need it in your routine. So, why prescription azelaic acid doesn't suit many people? Before I talk about Anua's version, here's why the prescription one doesn't work for everyone. It uses azelaic acid in high concentrations like 15 to 20%. The base formula is usually thick, gritty, or drying. It can cause intense stinging, especially on active acne or damaged skin. It increases skin sensitivity and redness before even improving anything. So many people quit using it before seeing results because the purging plus dryness becomes too much. So what Korean brands have done is create microdosed, stabilized, hydrating version with azelaic acid or the derivatives of azelaic acid and supporting soothing ingredients that deliver similar benefits without the prescription irritation. And Anua does this beautifully. This serum is formulated with pure 10% azelaic acid, not a derivative like aziloglycine, so you get the real benefit of azelaic acid in a gentler, more comfortable form that's suitable even for sensitive skin. It's supported by 7 different types of cica, including Centella asiatica extract, Medicaicoside, Asiaticoside, Asiatic acid, and more, which are also responsible for the serum's natural green tint while delivering intense soothing and redness relief. The formula is deeply hydrating thanks to 3 molecular weights of hyaluronic acid along with panthenol, beta glucan, and biosaccharide gum 1, all of which strengthen the barrier and keep the skin calm and moisturized. You will also find niacinamide and zinc PCA to help brighten, control oil, and support clearer looking skin, while allantoin, a touch of betaine salicylate, gently soften and smooth the texture without irritation. To round it out, ingredients like squalane, ceramide NP, aloe vera, and green tea water helps reduce inflammation, repair the barrier, and keep the skin balanced, making this a wonderfully calming, hydrating, and restorative formula for redness-prone and sensitive skin. The texture is one of my favorite things about this serum. It has a water light, quick absorbing consistency that feels incredibly refreshing the moment it touches your skin. And yes, the serum has a natural green tint, but this is not artificial color. The green hue comes from 7 different types of cica, including Centella asiatica extract, Medicaicoside, Asiaticoside, Asiatic acid, and more. This green tint doesn't just look pretty, it actually helps visually neutralize the redness while the cica ingredients calm and repair the skin inside. The formula leaves zero stickiness, zero greasiness, and no heavy film. It feels like applying a soothing splash of hydration with a built in calming filter. Now, what is my experience using it for redness? I personally started using this serum mainly for the redness on my cheeks, which always gets worse when my skin is stressed, overheated, or when I use too many actives. What surprised me the most about this serum is how instantly calming it feels. The first time I applied it, there was zero stinging, just a refreshing, cooling sensation that settled into the skin within seconds. Over the next few days, I noticed that the usual pinkiness on my cheeks looked much softer and less inflamed, especially in the mornings. It didn't treat my deep pigmentation or stubborn acne marks completely. Azelaic acid isn't meant to do that alone, but it definitely softened the overall uneven tone and made my skin look more balanced and less blotchy. And honestly, for sensitive skin like mine, this is already a big win. So, after using it consistently, most people notice reduction in small bumps plus smoother texture, less redness around the nose and cheeks, more even skin tone, old acne marks fade faster, less oiliness but without drying the skin, and the skin looks calm and bright, not irritated. Azelaic acid is not a miracle overnight ingredient, but it's one of the few workhorse ingredients that gives real steady improvement. So, what are the clinical claims of this serum? This serum is clinically tested and non-comedogenic, which means it doesn't clog pores and is proven to temporarily calm irritated skin. For someone with combination and sensitive skin like mine, this was reassuring because many azelaic acid products can trigger dryness or tiny bumps. This one didn't. Instead, it actually made my skin feel smoother and more stable. With consistent use, the results are subtle but noticeable. The main improvement I saw was in overall clarity and redness reduction. My cheeks looked less flushed, especially after cleansing or sun exposure. Small texture bumps around the nose area looked smoother. The azelaic acid helps brighten mild discoloration, so my skin tone looked fresher and more uniform. It does fade pigmentation, especially new marks or light dark spots, but it will not erase deep, stubborn acne scars or years old marks. For those, you will need stronger actives like retinoids or vitamin C. What this serum does exceptionally well is keep the skin calm, stable, even toned, and bright without irritating the barrier. Now, who should use it? This serum is perfect for anyone dealing with redness, uneven tone, mild pigmentation, post acne marks, sensitivity, rosacea like bumps, or skin that easily reacts to strong actives. If your skin feels irritated, inflamed, or frequently overheated, this formula brings it back to calm baseline. It's also excellent for combination and oily skin because it controls excess oil without drying the skin. Teenagers, beginners, and anyone who struggles with prescription azelaic acid irritation will absolutely love this version because it delivers the benefits without the side effects. Now, who should be cautious while using this serum? This serum may not be ideal if you have very dry, flaky skin because azelaic acid, even in gentler forms, can feel a bit drying unless topped with a good moisturizer. So those using strong exfoliating acids, benzoyl peroxide, retinoids or Accutane should avoid layering this on the same night to prevent sensitivity. If your pigmentation is deep, stubborn or hormonal, this serum alone won't be enough. You will need stronger treatments alongside it. And if you are allergic to Cica or botanical extract, patch test first. Now how to use this serum AM and PM. So in morning, use a gentle cleanser and use a hydrating toner afterwards. Then you can use Azelaic acid, about 3 to 4 drops for full face, and then use a lightweight moisturizer. Don't forget sunscreen as it is very important with azelaic acid. In the morning, the green tint beautifully neutralizes the redness and sits well under makeup. At night, use gentle cleanser, then hydrating toner, and then use this serum alone or paired with some niacinamide or simple hydrating serums, and then lock it all with moisturizer. Avoid retinoids or exfoliating acids in the same routine, alternate instead. Use it every day if your skin is comfortable or start 3 to 4 times a week if you are sensitive. So if you have always wanted to use azelaic acid but prescription formulas destroyed your barrier, the Anua Azelaic Acid 10 Plus Hyaluron Serum is honestly one of the gentlest and most effective options. You get all the brightening, calming and pigmentation benefits without the irritation. And if you want to try it, you can get it on YesStyle using my code SHALU1005. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming skincare reviews and routines. I will see you in the next one.